Good morning, second class children. So, again, we will continue with the lesson where we had stopped yesterday. That is still up to page number 82. We had completed still bottle, drums, mugs, and jugs where the rainwater can be collected, isn't it? Now we are going to see the next one is we will continue with this lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, the name of the lesson is, can you guess anyone? What is the lesson number? 10, and the name of the lesson is Water Around Us. Okay, now let me continue this lesson. Okay, come on, be ready. Be ready with a pencil and place it on the word. Each and every word keep on moving now. Okay, come on, say close the tap immediately after use. See, look at here, this person, what he was doing. As soon as after he had used the tap, he was closing this tap. Okay. Now the next one. Tell others not to waste water in case they are wasting it. Suppose if they are wasting the water, you should insist them not to waste drop of water. Okay. Next one. Look at here. This is the activities you have to do by yourself. Now write what happened as a result of drought. If it has become a dry place, what will you do? You should write about some few points. Now water changes its forms. Get ready along with your teacher. Come on, say. Sheena is boiling water. She does not get scared when she sees something coming out of the pan. She knows it is steam, that is gas. Sheena puts a lid on the pan. Look at here. She is placing the lid on the pan. Tiny drops of water appear on the lid. So what is this? Tiny drops of water she saw in below the lid. Sheena knows that when the hot steam touches the cold plate, it cools down and changes to droplets of water. Ankit wants to have ice in his cold drink, but he does not know how to make ice. His mother shows him how to do it. She fills an ice tray with water. Look at here. What my mother was doing here? Yes, she filled the water in this tray and she was placing in the refrigerator, in the cooler. Okay. So this is the chiller tray. See, look at here. So this section was what she is placing here. Yes, she is placing the ice tray after filling that water in that ice tray. After some time, water changes into ice. This is called freezing. Ankit now knows how ice is formed. We can see the different forms of water, that is solid in ice state, liquid in water state, or gas in the steam. Okay, so like this. Look at here, all of you. Put any red color squash of your choice in the glass of water, stir it well, and then pour it in any ice tray to the freezer. After 5 to 6 hours, take out the tray. Your red ice is ready. Surprise your parents by making the color ice. Yes, exactly. See, you can take any liquid. Okay, so now what you can do, if you take mango juice, okay, so mango juice, make it as a liquid, then you just cardamom powder, you use it there and make this liquid as, make it as a ice. After 6 hours, if you place it in the freezer, you remove the tray, you can find the mango ice cubes. Okay, you can make it like this also. So different color juices can we make it as a ice. Okay, colorful ice. Now what is this? Water cycle. Which section now? Water cycle. Come on, be ready. When the sun shines, it leads to heating of surface water. Some of this water turns to water vapor. Some of this water turns into water vapor. Okay, now in the gas form of water diffused in the air, this water vapor rises in the air and changes into water droplets on cooling down. The water droplets form clouds. The clouds get heavy and rainfall occurs. Rainfall leads to filling up of lakes, streams, and oceans. Some rainwater also goes deep into the ground. This cycle goes on and is known as the water cycle. Okay, so this is the way. Look at the water cycle. See how the water evaporates and how it is coming back to clouds to again surface. Okay, here water on the earth is constantly on the move. Look at the main point. Sometimes too much rains cause floods. Floods can drown people, animals, plants, and houses. They can cause a lot of damage. Diseases spread due to dirty water whenever there is a flood. ఫ్లడ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లడ్? తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? వరదలు. వరదలు వచ్చినప్పుడు అన్ని ఇల్లు, జనాలు అందరూ కొట్టుకుని పోతారు, అవునా కదా? సో దానికి ఏమంటాము? ఫ్లడ్స్ అనాలి. ఓకే, దానివల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? నీళ్ళు, డర్టీ వాటర్ వల్ల so many diseases can be caused. Okay, so our lesson is completed. Look at the picture here. Say they have given, study the pictures and answer the question that follow. Do it by your own. Okay, sorry, excuse me children. Then the important points, recap now. Let's revise. All living things need water to live. We need water for many activities in our daily life. We must drink clean water. Water sources include rivers, wells, and hand pumps. We must not waste water. Water has 3 forms: ice, water, and water vapor. Water changes its form upon heating or cooling. Water cycle maintains water balance in nature. So this is what the complete lesson of important points they had highlighted. Okay, now here already we have done this objective. I had shown you in the textbook, isn't it? So once again you see here, tick the correct word. We should waste water or while bathing. Let the tap run while we brushing our teeth. Close the tap after using. Which is the correct answer? Close the taps after using. Next, water can be made clean by what? Keep it covered, heating or boiling? Boiling. Next one, in villages water is mostly obtained from where? From tanks, wells or taps. Second, B option is wells. Okay, the next one is fill in the blanks. Water collected on the surface of the earth is called surface water. Drinking water should be boiled before drinking. Right here, spell the word boiled. B-O-I-L-E-D. Boiled. Unclean water has what? Germs, dust, and dirt. D-I-R-T, dirt. We should drink clean water. Dash water, clean water. Ice is a dash form of water, solid form of water. Okay, so we had completed here. So this is stands for what? Here look at your puzzle. Guess my name and complete the word. I need water to make food and grow. That is P. What is that? Pond. And here I supply water in your kitchen. T for tap. I am a solid form of water. So I stands for ice. When the water is heated, I am formed. S for steam. I am used to make the water clean. F for filter. Okay, so we had completed page number, this is 88. Now textbook again, page number 89. Children, be ready. Find the missing words with the help of the clues given. So what are that here? Think of your 4 ways to avoid the wastage of water. Give yourself a start every time. Do something to save water. Okay, so you should have to give a star by yourself. Look at here, just find out the missing word. What is here? Ice. I had circled here. Steam, melting, here freezing, circle here with colorful pencil, boiling, heating. So these are all the process which can be done in the water. Look at here. Water freezes to form ice. Water boils to give off steam. Change of ice into water is melting. Water changes into ice by freezing. Heating changes water to vapor. Water changes to steam by boiling. Okay, is it clear, children? So page number 18 and also we had completed, and our pasting also we have done. So all the textbook, this lesson number 10, textbook reading completed. Then we had completed a textual exercise. Now we will start the lesson number 9. What is the lesson number 9? Yes, that is air, about the air. Air around us. Lesson number 9, air around us. This lesson I will explain you, I will give you the reading practice, and we will complete the textbook reading practice too. Okay, so thank you, children. I hope this lesson reading practice is very clear for you all. So please keep on doing like this. Textbook reading, do the practice every day. Keep on reading the textbook, children. Okay, second class children, is it clear? Thank you, children.